Richa and Rupali. When are you going to do that? Not, Abhi, you have got a time today. You can sit. If your department work is, this is the second priority. First priority is you should always learn to prioritize work. It is extremely important. We do not prioritize. We do randomly. We don't say what has to be done first, second, third, fourth. We take this also, then half of this, then take also. Please learn prioritizing your work. Which work? So your priority is for your departmental teacher. Then you can do this after let's say 2-3. Seniority list is not going to create a problem. Have you understood? If the old list goes even for 6 months, no problem. But we want to introduce a system where the remuneration of a teacher has to be accepted, declared and accepted by others. Okay? Then submission of FA activities to be given to the. I am thankful to Manisha Patil and Poonam and her entire teachers for submitting me the activities they want to do it. Similarly, this exercise has been done from 6 to 12 or not?
Yes, sir.
You are doing it now?
Yes,
Even if it is not today, Monday you can do it. No problem. Because then we'll file it and hand over to sir. Holiday assignments, you have to give some work to the children that should be enjoyed by parents and children both. That should not tax. That should not tax them. Please, what are you going to do? This entire responsibility is of HOD to check that holiday work is sufficient, can be enjoyed by children and not done by parents. Please note that. Please check your children have got the shoes and uniforms again. If it is not there, you can give me a list of the children, name of the class, 6th day, name of the class teacher, date 20th July, 20th April or 21st April, name of the students as per roll in the attendance register, articles not received, shoes, uniform, etc.
So they are not going to receive it now, sir. I mean, measurements have been taken.
So they have not got it. No, some of them have got it.
Only they got shoes.
No. Uniform is also being given because that distributor said, I have got uniform ready and we'll. So okay, let's wind it up. I want to know what children have got class wise. Isko likh लीजिए. Date of submission 22nd. Make a list in your handwriting, name of the child, the things provided by school. What are to be provided by us? Put serial number as per register, name as per register, uniform, bags, whatever. If it is given, write down, tick. If it is not given, write cross, don't leave it. Cross means not given. So update this. I'll check because I have to do this exercise. Cross checking of your information with cross checking of the stocks maintained by her. That I have to do during the holiday. That is my homework. So please help me. Stock verification reports not submitted. Mamta, where is Mamta? Mamta. Then you collect from them and give it to me. This is also one of very important documents you have to submit to us before leaving. Otherwise, I will send you email, I will send you SMSs, and I will try to contact on your phone. Ma'am, you have not given the stock register. Please. Come back and submit. We can break open. Any department can be broken open with a committee of 3 people. In order to, we will not do it. We will not do it. So stock verification reports. Then class planning and day-wise planning. The activities are doing, and as a class teachers you are doing that. And we have also any teacher, a new teacher left who has not been associated with a senior teacher. New teacher. I will read the name of the new teachers. Annie ma'am with Vaishnava ma'am, Renuka madam with Richa, Meera madam, Shambhavi, Ananya, Sushma, Padmaja, Sujata, Kavita and Harpreet, Pooja with Shruti, Aparna with Manisha, Gayatri with Sushma, Neha with Nishu, Mrinalini with Sheetal, Nidhi with Vinsha, Anuradha with Dipti, Kavita with Rajshri. Everybody is covered. What is your name? Can you give the spellings? J. Kayuri, yeah, your name is, I don't know. Kayuri, you have not attended that meeting? Is she new? You are new? But why it is not written then?